course, if we look at the watch just like this, nobody would be able to make the difference between the genuine and the fake watch. But what we need now is a magnifier. We need a loop, a 10x loop minimum, to make the difference between the genuine and the fake one. All right, now we are looking at the watch with the loop, and well, the first thing that we can see is the edges. The edges are very, very, very sharp. I mean, the finishings are not at the rendezvous here. And if you touch with your fingers on the edge and on the end of the lug here, you will see that it's very, very cutting. And I will make a demonstration how cutting the edge is definitely at the end of the video. And you must really take your time while doing this, because this is where you really see the details of the watch. I mean, look at that. Look at the shape of the hand here. It's not well finished. You can even see the painting beneath the hand, and that's not what is expected from a real Rolex watch. So here we have the movement, and the movement is definitely the most important part of the watch. This is the part I call the part that talks, because it really talks. Here we have the rotor, which is winding up the watch while you are moving your wrist, and beneath that rotor you have two purple wheels, and these two purple wheels are inverted wheels. So whether the rotor turns clockwise or counterclockwise, the watch is winded up while moving the wrist or moving the arm. Now we are looking at the purple wheel here, and there are two colors, the purple and the little yellow on the teeth outside. The point is that the yellow has nothing to do here, because on the genuine one there is no brass like this. It's a full purple wheel, and inside that wheel, which we don't see here, you have another wheel which is enabling the system to go clockwise and counterclockwise. But this is not all, because let's look at the other watch, which is a so-called better quality watch. Here, if you look at the wheel is full purple. So this is not something that you should rely on while authenticating or identifying the watch. So here you have two little parts which are very, very, very important, because you will find this on all the fake watches. And these two parts are called the index regulator. They are enabling the watchmaker to set up the watch minus or plus 1 or 2 or 3 seconds per day. And this is an accurate part of the watch, which you will never find on a Rolex. This is not the same system that Rolex uses here, definitely. Rolex uses a different system, which is screws on the balance wheels, but this is a technical detail that we will cover in another video later on. And this system looks like this, so you can here see that this is definitely not the same part. Well, I told you before about the cutting edge of the lugs of the watch, as promised. Look at that. Then, et voilà. This is a real cutter. And that's it. And that talks.